rock stars. In today's video, we're going to play another one of my favorite games. This is something that I play all the time with my students that I teach here in person in Los Angeles. Today we're going to play a game called Telephone. Now you might have played this with your friends. It's where you all sit in like a line or a big circle and someone says a phrase like, I love pizza, or learning how to play guitar is my favorite. That's kind of a long sentence, but I love guitar. We'll try that one. If you've never played telephone before, someone starts with the phrase and then they whisper it to the person next to them. And then the person whispers it to the next person next to them. And it goes all the way around the circle or all the way down the line. And then once the last person has heard what the first person said, they're going to say it out loud, and hopefully what that person says will match what the very first person said. This is a really fun game, and how we play it with guitar, it helps us practice our chords, and it helps us with some strumming patterns. So we're going to get a little bit of practice in today, and we're going to get to have some fun. How cool is that, right? Okay, so this game requires a lot of patience and a lot of focus, okay? Because I'm going to be playing a very specific strumming pattern, and the way that you're going to score points is if you play the exact same strumming pattern as me. As I mentioned in the beginning, this also gives us a great opportunity to practice some of the chords that we've been working on. So I'm going to start with E minor. That's our pointer finger on the second string of the second fret, and our second finger on the third string of the second fret. And I'm going to start us off with an easy strumming pattern. It's going to be just 4 strums, okay? So let's see if you can do it. Ready? Here we go. Okay, I'm going to play it one more time. Okay, now it's your turn. Hey, that sounded great. Really good job. All right, I'm going to make this one a little bit harder. I'm going to stay here on E minor. I'm going to make this one a little bit harder. All right, here we go. Okay, here it is one more time. Okay, now you try. Ooh, that was really good. All right, great job, great job. Okay, I'm going to change up chords now, and I'm going to switch to C major. So I'm going to take my pointer finger, and I'm going to put it here on the 5th string of the 1st fret. And then with my pick, or you can use your thumb too, you're going to strum the bottom 4 strings. Okay, this one's going to be a little bit harder. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to do it one more time. Here we go. Okay, now you try. Hey, excellent job. Way to go. That was really, really good. Okay, I'm going to stay on C major, and I'm going to try one more. Are you ready? Here we go. Okay, I'm going to do that one more time. Ready? Okay, now it's your turn. Let's see if you can do it. Hey, really good job. That sounds awesome. All right, I'm going to make it a little bit harder now. I'm going to be playing E major, and instead of doing just 4 strums, I'm going to do 8 strums. Ooh, it's getting challenging now. We're going to challenge ourselves. So E major is our pointer finger on the 4th string of the 1st fret, and then our second finger goes to the 2nd string on the 2nd fret, and our third finger goes right behind it on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. And I'm going to do an 8 count this time, okay? So it's going to be 8 strums. And because we're challenging ourselves, I'm only going to play it 1 time. Here we go. Okay, now it's your turn. Ready? Go. Really good job. That was awesome. Did you get it? Did you get all the strums? Do you see how I kind of switched it up a little bit with a couple of up strums and then down, up, down, up? Yeah. Now, usually at this point, if we were learning together, I would give you a chance to do a strumming pattern, and then I would try to follow you. But because we are not live, and you're probably going to be watching this video later, I can't have you try one. But if you're ever with anybody else who plays guitar, with any of your other friends, or maybe if you just have one guitar and you want to share it and pass it back and forth, this is a a really fun game to play with your friends, and it's a really awesome way for you to practice the chords, have a little bit of fun, and work on some new strumming patterns too. So we're going to do just one more chord. We're going to do A major, and I'm going to do another 8 count for you. So on A major, if you remember, that's the 3rd, 4th, and 5th string, all right here on the 2nd fret. And then with my pick, or if you have your thumb, you're going to start on the A string, our 2nd string, okay? All right, here's the strumming pattern. Are you ready? Here we go. All right, that was a hard one. Let's see if you get it. Ready, go. Hey, that was awesome. Really, really great job. Even if you didn't get it perfectly, the fact that you tried your best is great. So, really awesome job. Thanks so much for having some fun with me playing the telephone game. Hey, that was so much fun. Thanks so much for playing this game with me. I hope you enjoyed it. And as I said, if you have some friends who are wanting to learn how to play, maybe this is a great way for you to teach them a little bit about guitar. You can pass your guitar back and forth, and you just have so much fun playing and practicing together. I really appreciate you watching this video. Because you can't leave comments to let me know that you're liking these videos, let's just get the views up through the roof. So just watch them, share them with your friends. Let's get the views up, and then that's going to let me know that you really, really like these videos. That's going to help me put out more videos. And it's also going to help me know what kind of videos you want to see. Thank you so much for watching today. Thank you so much for practicing.